Let's talk about saving money in college. Feels like a bit of a luxury, right? I mean, here you are trying to pay for this big expensive thing while you might have little income or no income at all. We tell college graduates to strive to save 10% of their income. But if that feels unattainable to you right now in college, don't worry. Remember, you're trying to build a savings habit. That's all. So you can carry that habit with you into your post college life. Now, if you have a full scholarship and you're working and your expenses are pretty low, absolutely I would recommend trying to save as much of that paycheck as you can. You might feel like you want to spend that extra money because why not? You earned it. But remember, if you get into the habit of spending every penny that you make, you're really not leaving a lot of wiggle room for emergencies. If you have a lot of college expenses and you're paying for the majority of them yourself out of your own pocket, yeah, leaving college with a huge savings account might not be realistic. But again, you're building a savings habit. Whatever small amount you can put aside will help make that habit stronger. Because if your budget only works if nothing goes wrong, you don't really have a budget. You have a hope. Things happen, flat tires happen, medical emergencies happen. You might see these as huge budget disruptors, and they are, but they aren't really surprises. We know unexpected expenses will happen. We don't know what they'll be or when they'll happen, but we know that we can start planning for them now.